Are you a Nigerian living in Nigeria? Do you need a scholarship or loan to study abroad? Well, if this is the case, then this video is for you. I have good news for you. Did you know that you can actually apply for scholarships and loans by yourself for absolutely free? Yes, you can. So if this is something you're interested in, hey guys, why not you just send your documents for a documentation check and also an assistance? We're going to be doing all of this in a training, a one-day training, just to guide you in areas that you can go and start applying for scholarships and loans by yourself, for absolutely free. And you can also apply for your family members. It doesn't cost you anything. We're also going to be showing you places that you can actually go and get affordable tuition, yes, and also free application countries and schools. So if this is something you're really interested in, guys, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because every single day we're going to be bringing different scholarship opportunities for you and different tuition free or even loan opportunities for you to apply by yourself for absolutely free. In case you're wondering, okay, now that you know that you can apply for scholarship and all of these things for free, what are the things that you would need? So for someone who wants to apply for scholarship, you are likely to be asked to provide an English proficiency test result. Now let me remind you, not all countries or all schools actually ask for an English proficiency result or test. So if you're that person that says, oh, I don't really like to, or I don't want to write an English proficiency test, then you can also join the training so that we teach you and show you those platforms that will waive the English proficiency test for you. It's no brainer. You want to know why should you even apply for a scholarship? The first thing you need to understand that scholarship saves money for you, either if it's a partial scholarship or a fully funded scholarship, or even if it's a loan. It allows you to study abroad without bringing out this money from your bank account, and that way you have the chances to actually live a free and happy life, knowing that you're not struggling to pay your tuition and other things you'll be needing for your schooling. Studying abroad is one of the best ways to relocate to a country. So if you are also interested in migration, you can use the study abroad route, because it's one of the best ways to relocate. There are so many opportunities for you as a student. You're going to have friends, you're going to meet people, you're not going to be isolated. It's just amazing. And again, this scholarship thing just helps you travel for absolutely free or with little money for those of you who bag a partial scholarship. And another thing you need to understand is why you should apply for yourself and why you should join the training to learn how to apply yourself. You're just going to have that confidence. So in case they have an interview, you're just going to be acing the interview, whatever it is, and you will know how to answer all these questions. So what are you waiting for, guys? Take the very first step. The dream of studying abroad is closer than you think. You can visit our office or just book a consultation online or just join the online training. The choice is yours. What are you waiting for, guys? And remember, in the very next video, I'm going to be showing you scholarships that are available for you to use right away, apply for, and just travel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.